Welcome to Gear Grinders. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most iconic motocross machines ever made, the 2026 Yamaha YZ125. Known for its lightweight agility, explosive power, and legendary handling, the YZ125 has been the go-to bike for riders chasing pure two-stroke performance. The 2026 model refines this legacy with modern updates, improved ergonomics, and enhanced rideability, making it more competitive and thrilling than ever. Let's dive into what makes this new YZ125 a true track dominator. Design and aesthetics. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 carries the unmistakable motocross DNA that riders love, but now features sharper lines and a more aggressive stance. Yamaha has introduced a redesigned front fender, slimmer shrouds, and a new seat shape for better rider movement during cornering. The updated graphics package gives it a race-ready look right out of the crate, while the lightweight aluminum frame continues to deliver that perfect blend of rigidity and flexibility. It's a design that screams performance from every angle, staying true to Yamaha's racing spirit. Performance and powertrain. At the heart of the 2026 YZ125 is a refined 125 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled two-stroke engine that delivers crisp throttle response and improved mid-range torque. The new power valve system has been fine-tuned for smoother transitions and better acceleration out of corners. Paired with a 6-speed close-ratio gearbox and lightweight clutch components, the YZ125 remains a joy to ride for both amateurs and pros. The suspension setup, featuring KYB fully adjustable forks and shock, has been recalibrated for improved stability on rough tracks while maintaining that nimble, responsive handling Yamaha riders expect. Safety and technology. While pure motocross bikes are all about raw performance, Yamaha has subtly integrated modern technology to make the 2026 YZ125 smarter and safer to ride. A redesigned braking system with improved caliper feel offers better control, and the updated ergonomics allow for a more natural rider position that reduces fatigue. The digital CDI ignition ensures consistent performance across different riding conditions, while optional connectivity through Yamaha's Power Tuner app allows riders to fine-tune fueling and ignition mapping for the perfect setup. Conclusion. The 2026 Yamaha YZ125 proves that the legend of the lightweight two-stroke is far from over. With its refined engine, improved ergonomics, and race-focused design, it continues to dominate the 125 cubic centimeters class while remaining one of the most fun bikes to ride, no matter your skill level. Whether you're carving up a motocross track or practicing your jumps on local trails, the new YZ125 is built to deliver pure adrenaline and unmatched control. Stay tuned to Gear Grinders for more reviews, insights, and first looks at the bikes that keep the spirit of racing alive.